Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best solar generator kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kalisaya KP401 KaliPAK 384WH solar generator system. These days, it is possible to have power even when you are off the national grid. The trick is getting the Kalisaya solar generator system with a solar panel. Though the kit is compact, delivers enough power to keep your phones, laptops and other small appliances running. Tasked with this function is a heavy-duty battery which has a power rating of 384 watt-hours. As a result, the generator can charge an iPhone for over 42 times before recharging it. Now, forget about those solar generator systems which you have to buy accessories separately. With KP401, it comes with everything you need. The 4 folding solar panels with the 40W rating takes less time to recharge your battery. Further, the DC-AC adapter is ideal for use with any device. Apart from solar charging, the generator has a car battery adapter for recharging when there is no sunlight. With a compact and lightweight design, portability is highly enhanced. Moving on at number 4, we have the Acopower ER12V 1050-watt foldable solar panel kit. The Acopower brings you one of the best solar kits which are tasked with powering your home when you are out of power. When you get this kit, it is easy to port than others. The monocrystalline photovoltaic panels are foldable into a suitcase design. Additionally, they have one of the highest efficiency of up to 25% conversion rate. Despite the compact design, the kit is highly reliable and multi-purpose, whereby it can charge both lithium and lead batteries. When charging your devices, there is no need to but a separate inverter. The charge controller in this kit is designed to enable the charging of batteries as well as phones through the fitted USB port. Boasting 105 power rating, the kit is perfect for all your charging purposes. The connection cords and battery clips ensure that it's a buy-and-use solar kit. The kit weighs 7.2 pounds while panel measures 22.05 times 17.32 inch when folded. Above all, the system is weatherproof, thus guaranteed durability and reliability. At number 3, we have the Monerator Gusto Portable Solar Generator Kit. Enjoy reliable and cheap power anywhere with this Monerator Portable Solar Generator Kit. It is a full generator kit consisting of all the essentials from the solar panel, inverter, battery among others. It is a lightweight kit which can be used outdoors when camping and other activities. The portability is enhanced by the LiFePO4 battery which is lighter than lead-acid batteries. Also, the battery is safe and won't risk explosions and fires like other Li-ion-based batteries. Now, when it comes to charging, the generator has an inbuilt inverter and charge controller. Therefore, it is possible to get either AC/DC power just by plugging the plug into your desired outlet. The USB ports also enable easy phone charging. The compact solar panel has a 10W rating and is highly portable. Above all, the generator is compatible with the wall socket and car plug for recharging. At number 2, we have the Goal Zero Yeti 1250 Solar Generator Kit. One of the best solar generators on the market you can bet on is this Goal Zero 1250 Yeti kit. A highly reliable power kit which gives you a peace of mind. Notably, unlike other models which are cumbersome to carry, this one is straightforward. The solar panel features a foldable briefcase design, which allows ease of carrying. The dual panels have a power rating of 100W, meaning charging a battery is fast and convenient. Well, apart from the folding panels, the kit also boasts a powerful lead-acid battery. Created with 1,250 watt-hours capacity, the battery can power up to 10 devices at a go. The incorporated inverter provides USB charging ports and 12V connectivity, hence perfect for all your household small appliances. The battery is chainable with others safely for a longer run time. With the integrated kickstand, it means that tracking the optimal sunshine is simple. And finally at number 1, we have the Renigi Phoenix Portable Generator All-in-One Solar Kit. Forget about the large solar generators which restrict portability. The Renigi Phoenix Portable Solar Kit is one which will suit all your power need. Whether it is during emergencies or going outdoors, you can move the whole unit. The kit is designed featuring an inbuilt monocrystalline 20W solar panel. Furthermore, the kit is expandable to 20 watt. Boasting a briefcase design, mobility is superb and gives you the freedom to carry it everywhere. Now, instead of buying different accessories, the Renigi All-in-One Solar Kit has eased all that. The built pure sine line inverter enables the generator to deliver either AC or DC. Therefore, powering your appliances is just straightforward. Apart from being rechargeable via solar panel, it is also compatible with AC and car cigar port. Also, the Li-ion battery is replicable, hence possible to keep the generator perfuming excellently. The LED readout allows efficient powering monitoring. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.